How to remove or delete a repost on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to remove or delete a repost on Instagram. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in with your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are inside the profile section there, at the middle section of the screen, you will see multiple options. So from there, you can just tap on the repost icon. And now here in this section, you will see all the reposts that you have added on Instagram. So here you can simply go to the repost that you want to delete, and here once you're inside the repost, what you can do is just tap on the repost icon, which can be seen in the right hand side of the reel. And now here once you tap on it, the repost will be removed from your Instagram account. And that's it with this. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.